guys, welcome back to our channel, and today's episode we will be playing
Intercontinental Championship Scramble match.
Scramble.
Yes.
Scramble egg.
There will be 5 opponents. It's like a gauntlet. Come in to
Ah.
start and the rest comes in later.
Okay.
The one who has the latest pin before the time is out wins the title. And you win if the time runs out.
Ah.
I think so. You start. That's you. Is it?
Is that me?
I don't know.
Is that me or you?
I don't know.
You.
It doesn't matter, just play. It's one of us.
But it's not a, this is not responding.
It's not responding. Or maybe you're...
I was holding the right.
Yeah, it didn't look like you were holding the right one. What is it? Now he's flaunting. John Cena, why did you get in this match? You are so terrible.
There's no doubt that our WWE fans watching live in places like the United Kingdom and Canada, Germany, Australia, New Zealand, and Austria.
He wants the title very bad. Where are you going now? Oh, that's allowed?
Whether you cheer him or not, John Cena evokes more emotion out of our fans than anybody.
That's allowed?
It's allowed, and you're not moving. L1. Wait outside. I will be right there.
I didn't know that.
Oh, what is he doing? He's gonna use that on you. Wait, I should be there soon.
Oh. I don't see.
It's a non-submission move. It doesn't count.
I'm not sure I've ever seen Cena lose focus in a match.
L1.
How come I never get to play?
I don't know, he's too fast.
Throughout John Cena's career, he's never quit, no matter how tired he is.
Press him. Press everything. See, you blocked it. See, well done. That is something you did. Not too many times, remember that. Yeah. Ooh! See, you're getting great at this. Ooh, boom! Come on, where's everybody else? What is this? Two-man game? Ah, jaw buster. Flying elbow. What? No. L1. Uh-oh. This is here you can't do anything because there's like a cinematography. This too. He wants a pin. You have to hold until the blue. And let go. Not too much.
What is it?
I'm waiting.
I thought you won already.
No. Time. When the time runs out, if he still he's the only pin, he's the champion. I don't understand where is everybody else.
See, I cannot move anything.
He will kill you before you get there. Now you did something too. You're getting signature. Come on.
Big move coming.
Good. No, he reversed it again. He did something. I have finisher now. See if you can get it back now. Triangle. This is cinema, you can't do anything.
And Cena wants to score big. Watch this! And now, looking to put him away.
We cannot move anything.
What a five-knuckle shuffle.
He never
He's in
does
trouble
that.
now. And we've come to
Here I
another
go.
turning point in this match. Whoa! Cena singing it out again. Ladies and gentlemen,
Try to pin him.
Come on.
shoulders down. 1, 2. Oh, big Irish whip right into that security wall. Oh, man, I think that trapped the ring post. Oh, a face buster. And just off the post. And we're going back into the ring. In all honesty, Michael,
I can't do anything.
Me neither. They both have finishers.
Oh,
I can't do anything.
Cena with determination operating this hard. 1. He stops the count.
You have to pin somebody.
John
Not me.
Cena, of course, is made of flesh and blood, like you or me. He can be hurt. He can be defeated. Well, he may be made of flesh and blood, but he's completely unlike you and me, Michael. There's unquestionably something special about John Cena.
Oh, God.
my gosh.
Ah!
It's the world
See, do something. Trekant. Wrong guy to do it on.
There's the submission. That's got to be it. What strength fighting his way out.
What? That's funny.
Now that's how you
Oh,
do
no.
it.
I'm not doing anything. How to let go?
Hugging me.
Oh.
Yes.
And the sound of human flesh on the ground echoes around the arena. And that begs the question, will he be able to come back out when he gets the title back?
Did you get it?
Yes, I guess.
Okay. Now kill the referee because he can't count anything more.
Oh, yeah. I don't care how big and strong you are. When Del Rio snaps that off, you're going to tap. Oh, the ref just got taken out.
Are you pinning again? As long as no one pins anybody, I can't do it anymore.
What a counter. Hey, he's going for it again. That's it. He's out. Oh, and there goes the ref. The official is out of it. A textbook reversal. Can he follow up? Oh, look at this.
Get the referee, get the referee, get the referee, get the referee.
The last
Are
thing
both
you want
out?
to deal with is this amount of doubt. I'm not sure I've ever met a man more arrogant and obnoxious than Alberto Del Rio. And that's saying something, because I work with you every week, Michael. Once again, momentum has changed. John Cena's taking this match to an entirely new level. We're down to the final 3 minutes in this match.
Oh, what the hell is that?
This one should have been over. What do you... Del Rio, looking to cover.
No, X.
Look at the look on Del Rio's face.
Help, help.
He almost had... He got in there. I thought it was it. I thought it was going to be over. Oh, a big fall out of the ring. Running power slam. Face buster, face buster. What an impact. Big Show is motivated to do something. There's not another man in the world that can stop him.
Oh,
Very motivated.
Get the referee. Oh, running wrong.
Uppercut with a European flavor. Good Lord. Whoa! And he fights, and there's the save. How close was that? And there's another battering ram-like shot with a double step. Well, the situation of this match continues to get scarier, Michael. He's begging for it.
Don't get pinned.
Look out! 60 seconds remain. What's going to happen? No, big
Oh.
hand. Big Del Rio.
he has finisher.
Oh, man.
Yes, but don't get pinned because then
Seeing somebody go flying through the air. He's looking to do more damage with that object. Big Show with pure physical dominance. Oh my!
That,
Snapped inside that brain. No sane person can do this to another human. He breaks up the pin, and the match continues. 7 feet. Nearly 500 pounds. Is the world's largest athlete to make it. Spear! Big Show just flattened him. There's another huge shot. Oh, that should do it. I mean, how much punishment do you have to do?
10,
in this match?
9, 6. Sorry. Just bragging. Sorry.
oops.
And I hope you're right. Yes, you win.
How did he win?
You had the last pin.
Ah.
And I was hoping to knock out the referee, but he was running away from me. Oh no, I lost. Oh god. What he...
The current champion becomes the new champion.
I got it! I got it! Oh yeah! See my belt?
I got it, I got it, I got it.
Yeah, mwah.
Ah. Yep.
Bye.
Why?
You'll see us for our next video. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.
Bye. God bless.